As Dane County looks to build a new jail, it's also looking at ways to cut the number of inmates it's housing.
News 3 Now's Amy Reed shows us how the county is trying to do it.
When Dane County opens its new jail here behind the public safety building, they want to have 10% fewer beds than they do now. In order to get there, they had to analyze the criminal justice process from start to finish to find out where those changes could be made.
It's not just flipping a switch and suddenly it's different. This takes all of the players in the system working together.
County Board Chair Sharon Corrigan has seen conversations around a new jail for years. Now the county has settled on a $148 million option. She and the rest of the board want to see it done right.
We needed a path to helping us reduce the jail population in a safe way that keeps our community safe, but also make sure that we're meeting the targets that we've set.
Earlier this year, they paid for a stress test on the jail's population to see how the county could cut back. Dane County already starting ahead with 75 fewer inmates per 100,000 than the national average. Board Supervisor Yogesh Chavla, who voted no on the new jail in June, said there's still more to do, especially when it comes to racial equity and mental health.
If we can deal with public health issues in a public health context and deal with criminal justice issues in a criminal justice context, I think it strengthens the system not only for the people who are going through it, but for the people who are delivering the services as well.
The stress test was done by the JFA Institute, a research organization that does studies like this for cities all over the country. It suggested Dane County take new approaches, such as reducing sentence length or expediting facility transfers. In the report, it said research shows small reductions in length of stay have little impact on public safety, but a large impact on jail population. Chavla and Corrigan say making these changes will take cooperation from all levels, from policy to implementation on the streets and in the courtroom, but it's work the county is willing to do. While the new Dane County Jail isn't expected to open until 2023 at the earliest, the Dane County Board said these processes to help change the jail population can begin right away. In Madison, Amy Reed, News 3 Now.
There's at least one more study the county would like to do to help form better policy going into the new jail. That is a mental health analysis expected to be out this fall.